Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I bring you entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes this, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, it is going down. Uthandwa Nesthembu season 9. I don't know ukuthi Guning, and today we are going to be unpacking it all, Sana. Today we are going to be unpacking it all. So, Kena, turns out Usne, who is Musamseleko's firstborn, the girl, the girl who was saying Guti abahambe abafuna ukuhamba, they must not stress her father. You know, the girl who was saying Uguti, people who want to leave, they can just leave, Baba. Ungabanceni. Don't beg them, don't beg anyone to stay. That girl, she is pregnant, guys. I feel like manje each and every season we are discovering Usne pregnant. Each and every season Sneh is pregnant. Okay, I know she doesn't have 9 children, but iyathusa le ndaba. Usne is pregnant again, and I remember there was an episode where she was having lunch with her father, and then Samselik was like, Sne, Mtanami, I am glad that we are rebuilding our relationship. I am glad that we are trying to fix things, and I see that you've changed. If it happens that you get pregnant again, I am going to disown you or something like that. He said something along those lines. So manje to find out the girl is pregnant. Like, I don't know, guys. But at least she is not killing them. At least she is not killing them, I guess. Hi, uthi usabheke usne ukuthi Sne Mseleko is pregnant. Gwiqiqi. Nakho ke indaba ke futhi enkulu, ne? How? Musa Mseleko said something to Ulwandle that doesn't sound so good, you know. Lwandle ke is Macele's son, ne? Lwandle is Macele's firstborn son, yeah, firstborn son. Macele is the first wife. I'm trying to explain so that people can, you know, grasp, those who don't watch Uthandwa Nesthembu. So Ulwandle ke came to his father and he was like, Dad, I think I met someone pregnant. Like umndeni wakaMseleko is continuing to grow to ndlondlobala ngapha Mpumelelo just welcomed i-fourth born yakhe. Fourth, guys, fourth. Mpumelelo before 30 they already have 4 kids. Fourth, ne? So Ulwandle was like, Dad, I think I met someone pregnant. And then the Mseleko was like, hey, go, wena? I hold you. I didn't think you are capable of making someone pregnant. Like, hello. Now Mpumelelo has 4 kids already. Just because Ulwandle is just this, you know, quiet person, calm and collected, not doing anything. Ubona ngathi manje Ulwandle is not okay, is not using the, you know, doesn't have the capabilities of making someone pregnant. And to think ukuthi for Ulwandle they are saying that, even Umacele was also saying this, Kuma highlights. For Ulwandle, they are saying that they need a DNA test for the child. Mpumelelo has like 4 kids and they've never even asked for a DNA test, not even on one child. Like, they think nje Ulwandle, they are just painting him ngabantwana yena. He didn't do anything. And then there's Umangwabe, guys. Let's talk about Umangwabe. You know, I am really worried. Worried about me now? You're worried about me now? Mangwabe, guys, is Mangwabe staying for the right reasons now? Tembu. Because it sounds like she is not staying for the right reasons, guys. Mangwabe said something, okay, she's been saying she's leaving, yeah, number 5, she's leaving. Number 5 is here. Now she's saying things like, I'm not going anywhere. Reason being, I want those who were saying Kuti abahamba bahamba ebazosale bayincenga, I want them to see that I'm still here. If they have anything to do about it, then I want to see what they're going to do. I want those who wanted me to leave to see that I'm still staying. Like, are you staying for the right reasons, Ceci? I'm really worried. because girl was like fed up. She was up to here. And man, you can see, man, you can see what I care. Whomst am I? Whomst am I? But we can ama-reasons wakhe wokuhlala. She was having a conversation no Makumalo, and then Makumalo asked Uguti, how can you said you are leaving and yet you are still here? What happened? Ugal said, no, I'm staying to see Uguti, those who are saying that I should leave. What are they going to be doing since I didn't leave? I want to see. So are you staying for the people or you're staying for yourself? Kuningi, Kuningi. But she's the only one who knows the truth, guys. And they could be pushing this narrative just to get views because you know how TV is. You know Kuningi, we never know the whole truth. But Sanjay, I guess we will see. We will see. Usne, that's what I thought you girl, like she has changed. Even the way she was advising her father on what to do. Please don't stress, this and that. Hi. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.